Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Life's Way, The Tulip's Way. So, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. So, today I came here with a new home remedy. First of all, I would like to discuss few things with you regarding the under eye puffiness, the dark circle problem. Many people are facing the dark circle problem. So, today's my video is totally based on those who are suffering from dark circles. So, yes, there is a home remedy which you can use it on a daily basis or uh, within within 3 to 4 days even also you can use it very easily and to get rid of the dark circle. But yes, the continuity is must, because everything which is using a home remedy, not any kind of chemicals, not any kind of cosmetic products, so definitely these will take some time to get rid of completely. So, if you want to get rid of completely from all these dark circles, puffiness, under eye areas, and under eye wrinkles and everything, so yes, you need to be a little bit patient, because in Ayurveda, patience is the key, and definitely the products will work out, but yes, it will take time. So, please be patient, use it daily, use it in a continuous manner so that you will reap the maximum benefits out of it. So yes, today I'm here to talk with you regarding the under eye wrinkles and the dark circles. First of all, we should understand that why we are having the dark circles. The most common causes of the dark circles or the under eye puffiness or the wrinkles are due to lack of sleep. And of course, genetic is also there, because genetic factor is something which is unavoidable, because which is in our genes, we can't change it. But yes, with the help of these remedies, you can definitely reduce it to a minimum. But yes, you can't get rid of it because it is a genetic one. And if it's not a genetic one, it's due to the deprived sleep, it's due to the excessive usage of mobiles and making your eyes more strained, and as well as the anemic conditions. If you are having some anemic conditions, so definitely the iron deficiency is also one of the causes of dark circles. So if we are deficient in iron, so definitely it will show, because the eye area is the most thinnest part. Yes, it is the most thinnest part. So due to that, the lack of collagen, the due to the UV rays and everything, the collagen breaks very easily. And due to aging also, because as we aged a lot, so definitely there is a problem with the collagen, because the collagen has broken up so easily, and to rebuild it by the age, it is not possible. So yes, we need to do these home remedies with a continuous efforts to get the maximum benefit of it. So today I am here in today's video. I will be showing you the two things. One is the eye mask, which is for eye wrinkles as well as under eye puffiness and the dark circles too. And the second one is totally constricted to the dark circles. Yes, it is only and only constricted to dark circle. It is a basically it is a paste like. You can apply it over all your eye, covering all the area, your dark circle area, and then you will see the magic with the continuous usage of it. So stay tuned. Here are the ingredients for the preparation of eye pack. Here you can see this is the jaifal. I've taken this jaifal. This is the raw milk. Now we are going to prepare it. Dip this jaifal in your milk and just rub it on. Like this. I hope you can see this. I'm preparing the jaifal paste. I hope you all can see it clearly. Again dip it in milk, then again rub rub it over a rough surface. In this way you will extract this paste out of it. Here you can see we prepared a paste of Jaifal. This is the Jaifal paste. It will look like this consistency. Just apply it on dark circle image where you have dark circles. You can see I don't need dark circle. Just show you.
遥かな空雲の流れる彼方かすかにほら小さな声聞こえてくるそれはきっとあなたの名前を呼んだ誰かの声さあ行こうよ翼広げて風にそよいだ名も知らぬ野の草さえ溢れる笑顔見せて迎えてくれる
Leave it for half an hour.
今はきっとまだ寂しくて一人眠るその夜も孤独ならいつか消える世界の眩しい優しさで
There is no eye pack left on my eyes. It instantly looks brightening. Please do try this remedy at home. Here you can see I'm taking this coriander leaves, that is dhania patta. So we are using it for preparing a toner for the eye. So this is the coriander leaves, and here is a cucumber. I peel it down. It's a cucumber, small cucumber. Just put this. I will cut it into the pieces and put it in a blender. Here you can see I have prepared this toner to remove the dark circles from the eyes. As I showed you earlier, this is the mixture of coriander leaves as well as the cucumber. Like that, you have to take it in a cotton. Tap out the excess one. And then do it like this. As you can see, I don't have any dark circles, but despite of that, just to show all of you that how to use this toner, so you have to use like this. Just dab with your fingers. Yeah. The movement should be very light because as under eye area is the most sensitive one. So yes, the stroke should be very light. Cover your whole eye. As you know that coriander leaves contain a very valuable alkaloids, which will be helpful for removing the dark circles very easily. It also gives astringent properties. It also has a anti-wrinkle properties, as well as it gives a soothing effect to your eyes. So just tone your eyes like this. You can see I've used this toner. Yes. Spread it with the help of your hands. If there is any extra left, so just spread it like that. And just leave it for half an hour. Do this on a daily basis or on an alternate day. but do it rigorously so that you will get rid of dark circles very easily. After half an hour, it will be completely dry. Just remove this with the help of wet wipes, or you can use a cotton also. So I have wet wipes in my hand, so yes, it is readily available. So I'm using the wet wipes to wipe up my eyes. Okay, so I can wipe out all the toner from my eyes like this. Do it very gently like this. Here you can see I have cleaned my eyes. And then after that, you can apply aloe vera gel or a sleeping eye mask or whatever you like. You can use it for your under eyes. So after using this toner, we will use that paste which we have prepared for our under eyes, that Jaifal and raw milk paste. So just use it and let me know whether you like my video or not. If you like my video, please do subscribe my video, like my video, share my video. Thank you so much. Love you all.